I got the old lad in here taking some firewood out for me. Sold a load. Just watching this here. It's bright and early in the morning. Except it's not bright. It's just early. Mirror up my road, no problem with that beast of a truck. It's just a tandem. No trailer this time. Never seen them do this before. It's pretty fun to watch. Look at that thing. It's a beast. I need one of those. Just because. Pick up some cars. ATVs. Swinging around. Holy jeez. How cool is that, boys? How cool is that? Big monster truck. Sounded good coming through the bush. Aha.